we will discuss on currency translation in SAP BW environment. Commonly used currencies in SAP are company code currency or local currency, transaction currency or document currency, group currency. Uh, Company code currency means the currency which is tagged with the company code. Say one company is registered in India, then obviously INR will be the local currency for that company, and currency type 10 is maintained for that in general. Transaction currency means one Indian company is exporting something to a Swiss client. Then obviously the invoice will be in Swiss amount. Okay. And that particular Swiss currency is maintained in the transactions document header level. So that is the, for that particular transaction, that is the transaction currency. And group currency means if a company is having the presence, global level presence, say one US MNC, that is that company obviously uh, makes their reports in USD, then that is the group currency for that company. Okay, and currency type 30 is maintained for group currency. These three are important for the BW purpose. There are several other currencies are also there. Hard currencies, index-based currency, uh, statistical currencies. Now I want to tell you what is the currency type, currency translation type. If you go to a bank, then you will see there is a exchange rate chart from one currency to another currency on that particular day. There you will see one column is for the source currency, one column is for the target currency. Say it is for the INR to USD, and also you will see there is one ratio, one conversion ratio for buying and another conversion ratio is for selling. That means two different types of exchange rate that bank is actually maintaining. Most of the companies maintains in numbers of exchange rate type for different purposes. So for any kind of currency translation, four things are very important. One is the source currency, target currency, time reference, and exchange rate type. Currency translation type is an object which can be maintained or created by T-code RS-curve that contains all these four information. So if you apply that currency translation type on some amount, then currency translation will be happened automatically. That will understand what is the source currency, what should be the target currency, what is the time reference, and what exchange rate you want to apply. Because most of the requirement when you will see come from the user, you will see that requirement is like that. I need a month on month contribution statement, month on month basis, and that needs to be reported um, um, on group currency level. Okay, and the exchange rate should be like that. Now the second question is that how you can implement that. Obviously you need to create the currency translation type, and you need to define the exchange rate, source currency, target currency, time reference in that currency translation type, and you need to apply that in your amount figure to make it to change that from one currency type to your required currency type, say from INR to USD. Now in two places, especially this can be done in various in various places, but in BW we used to do it either in transformation level or in the base query level. If you want to do it in the transformation level, there are two ways you can do it. One, you can do it in the field mapping level. when you are actually defining the transformations, there is a source field and there is a target field. Okay, and um, in the mapping you will get the option of for the conversion type where you can mention that one. Otherwise you can you can write the you can write the write required routine in the transformation level, and routine can obviously be done either in either using the ABAP or by AMDP. In case of ABAP, the standard function module is there. In case of AMDP, standard uh, functions are there. You can use those things. Another way, another places where you can apply this currency conversion currency conversion logic, that is in the query level. In the query level, uh, there is an option user setting for few reporting tools where user can um, ch change the setting to see the amount in their target currency. But that is not a preferable one because it is not applicable for all reporting tool. We are actually preferring to define in the query property level. If you go to a key figure a property, then you will see there is a currency conversion, as there is a conversion tab. And within that tab, you can mention what should be the conversion type. There is you can see here, there is a browse button. From there, you can select that conversion type, whatever is you have created already in the RS car using the T-code RS car. And if you select that conversion type, obviously the target currency will be automatically populated here. In our cases, in this case actually, but it is a mixed query variable. That's all. Thank you from my end.